Okay, here are the math notes for section 315. The math notes are on independent and dependent variables. So when a quantity, such as the height of a redwood, depends on another, such as the number of years after the tree was planted, it is called a dependent variable. That means its value is determined by the value of another variable. The dependent variable is usually graphed on the y-axis. So usually the dependent variable is going to go up here. So another example would be the number of hours you work would be the amount of money you make would be dependent upon how many hours you work. So the amount of money you make is the dependent variable. If such a quantity such as time does not depend on another variable, it is referred to as the independent variable, which is graphed on the x-axis. So an independent variable, so it's graphed over here, is in that same example, and the redwood would be the number of years. In the example of how much money you make, it would be the number of hours, because your amount of money depends on the number of hours. That makes the hours independent. For example, in the problem we did today in class, problem 346, we compared the amount of a dinner bill with the amount of a tip. In this case, the tip depends on the amount of the dinner bill. Therefore, the tip is the dependent variable, while the bill is the independent variable.